Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of logging into MoneyLion so you can take control of your finances. Follow this step-by-step guide to make your login experience smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Open your browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your device. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. Step 2. Navigate to the MoneyLion website. In the address bar, type in the MoneyLion website URL, www.moneylion.com. Hit enter to go to the home page. Step 3. Click on the login button. Once you're on the MoneyLion homepage, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure to input the email associated with your MoneyLion account and the correct password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link for recovery instructions. Step 5. Complete the security check. To ensure the security of your account, you may need to complete a CAPTCHA or another security verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify that you're not a robot. Step 6. Click Login. After entering your credentials and completing the security check, click on the Login button to access your MoneyLion account. Step 7. Navigate your account dashboard. Once logged in, you will land on your account dashboard. Here, you can view your financial statistics, manage your loans, track your spending, and much more. That's it. You are now logged into MoneyLion and ready to take control of your finances. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.